Hello sanibonani beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If you are new here, my name is Thenjiwe. I am a South African content creator currently based in the UK, and thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. And please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe and press the notification button. And today, as you can see me in my full Zulu regalia, I am celebrating King Shaka Zulu's Day, which is now in modern South Africa called Heritage Day, but me, myself and my family, we still celebrate it as King Shaka Zulu Day. This is the day, the 24th of September, when King Shaka Zulu was assassinated. And I don't know why they decided to take it away from us as the Zulu people and make it Heritage Day. I'm sure they have their valid reasons. But now it is a day when South Africa celebrates its diversity and different cultures. And for me, as a proud Zulu woman, I celebrate being Zulu each and every day of my life. So I do not reserve just one day to celebrate my heritage. That is why I was born this day being celebrated as King Shaka Zulu Day, because this is the day the King of Kings, was assassinated. So to me, it will always be King Shaka Zulu Day. Do let me know what you think. Do you guys celebrate it as heritage? Some even celebrate it as Pride Day. There was a big argument in South Africa some years ago, about maybe 2-3 years ago, I can't remember because I was not really interested, where people were arguing that it should be called Friday. So some people call it Friday, I call it King Shaka Zulu Day. Please do let me know down below what you call it, how you celebrate this beautiful day. So what do you think of my outfit? I am loving my outfit. And then yes, of course, we're wearing designer. This is my Gucci, homemade of course, self-made, but Gucci is Gucci most, it's just the name, isn't it? Yeah, so these are mine. And this is usually traditionally made with cowhide, but because the weather is so hot and we can't really travel with the cowhide, so we make alternatives and make it with just modern material. This is how we wear it these modern days. And of course, you know, the beads, and this is also supposed to be a real leopard because that's our spirit animal. But of course, this is a vest representing the leopard. And of course the colors. I've got so many videos where I explain about the different colors of beads and what they represent. And yeah, so I'm off to a restaurant. Let's go. And of course I got a lot of attention just because of the outfit that I am wearing. Do you guys think we should make it normal to just dress up in our African attires or with a bit of accessories wherever we are, so that it doesn't look like we wear our things when they are festivals, so that our outfits are not regarded as costumes? I personally think we should just make it normal. Just dress like this wherever you are. Don't wait for Heritage Day. Don't wait for that one day in a year or for a traditional wedding, so that people get used to us wearing our things, because we are the first ones to complain when they think our dresses are Halloween outfits. It is because we do not respect us ourselves to wear our stuff in public and just not be ashamed. And I don't mean like every day you must dress in your traditional outfit. Just dress the way you are comfortable and the way you like, but let us make it normal to dress the way we like. And of course, when I go out, I bring my own cutlery, because these days you just cannot trust everything. You have to be careful what cutlery you use, and I will give you guys a link of where to get this cutlery, and you can just keep it in your bag, take it with you wherever you go. And it is not only good quality, but you also know that you are the only one using it. I mean, you know we are going through a pandemic, so we cannot be taking chances. And besides, it's just nice and cute. And I had a good time. I had a nice sea bus, and I really enjoyed it. I do wish I was home, and I do also wish there was a nice South African restaurant that sells South African traditional food, but those are very hard to get. South Africans who know how to cook and live abroad, please start opening restaurants. So South African chefs and cooks, this is a challenge to you. Please do make sure that you open restaurants. We will come, we will support you. We want our food to be everywhere, all over the world, just like other nations. So guys, my thing is, we've eaten, the food was good, but the bill is not very friendly. So I'm saying let's run away. It's the best thing to do. If we run away, all black people look the same. They won't be able to tell who we are tomorrow. But yes, this is up. I don't know. Aksay kuchile. Kunjan magunje. Kunjan magunje. Aksay kuchile. Aksayo. Aksayo. And after dinner, I headed into the city, into London, and obviously people were still looking at me in public transport. And I had a show there in London. This is how I showed up to the show, and I might tell you about the show and show you some footage in the next video. In the meantime, please do not forget to subscribe, like the video, press the notification so that you do not miss another video. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.